How to hide Instagram account from everyone without deactivating. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss whether you can hide your Instagram account from everyone without deleting or deactivating it. So, if you want to keep your account private but don't want to remove it completely, I'll show you the best way to do it. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And you will enter the settings section. From there, you can simply scroll down and type on the option labeled account privacy. And once you are inside that, you can simply enable the private account option, and this will prevent strangers from seeing your posts and stories. However, your existing followers will still have the access to see your content. Now, with this, let's head to the step 2, that is to remove or mute followers. So if you want to completely hide your account from everyone without deactivating or deleting it, here is what you can do. You can go to the followers and remove them one by one, or if you don't want them to interact with you, you can mute them instead. And final option is deactivating or deleting your account. So if you want total privacy, the only way to completely hide your account is by deactivating or deleting it. You can do this in the settings under the account management. But at the time I'm making this video, you can't hide Instagram account without deactivating or deleting it. And that's all there is to it. With this, I hope this clear things up for you. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.